Let's do like a thumbnail moment. Hey dolls, it's Anastasia Lulu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get this Valentine's Day glam. Whether or not you are just staying in, watching Netflix all day, or have a date, going on a date, doing something exciting, I just thought what a fun excuse to play with some color, do a different kind of glam, and yeah, put on some makeup. I feel like this is half the reason why I'm making these videos, is to just have an excuse to have a bit of fun with makeup again. But before we get into the makeup and the fun stuff, I thought I would start off by grabbing a crystal and reading an affirmation. So today I am grabbing my clear quartz crystal. Now this crystal is seriously like the most versatile of all crystals, but I just think it really helps open your energy, your intentions, and I just think that's such a beautiful message around Valentine's Day, because I think we all want to have a more loving, energy, and to go about our days in a more with a more loving intention. So I think the clear quartz right now is just a perfect crystal to grab. I love myself unconditionally. I am beautiful, strong, and deserving. My flaws add to my uniqueness, and I deserve to be fully loved. My talents are unique to me, and I can add something special into this world. I am worth it. Okay, let's put the crystals away and get right into the makeup. Okay, dolls, so I have already applied my base and my eyebrows. We are gonna go straight in on the eyes. I am using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is what the shades look like inside. It's such a beautiful palette. I definitely always reach for it this time of year. So many gorgeous pinks and reds. It's just a really, really nice palette, and I think definitely a staple in anyone's kit. So I'm gonna go in with Sandalwood kind of all over the eye. I'm grabbing my MAC 224 brush, and I'm applying this in like a window wiper motion. So think like a car's wipers, right? You're going back and forth through the crease, just applying that color. This is a really beautiful transition shade, and it just really ties a lot of eyeshadow looks together. When you're applying eyeshadow, it's all about creating a diffused look without any kind of harsh lines or blocks of product. So now that that transition shade is all applied, I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush. I have literally used this so much that you can't even see the name of it. And I'm gonna go in with this shade there. It is called Henna. And I am gonna just concentrate this right in the crease. Going back in with this fluffy crease brush and just blending. So a really good tip when applying eyeshadow is always start on the outer corner and go in, rather than starting on the inner corner and going out. Because wherever your brush hits first, the most amount of product will go. So you kind of want the most amount of product on the outer corner while you're diffusing it towards the inner corner. That creates that kind of lifted, open, awake, bright eye look that we're all going for. Now when all of that is applied and diffused, I am gonna go in with this amazing shade, Maneater. It's so beautiful. And again, I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This also doesn't have a name on it because I've used it to death. I think it's a MAC brush though. Now I am focusing this color on the outer corner of my eye. And again, taking that same fluffy brush from the beginning, go back in and buff that color in. With a pop of color for your eyeshadow, it's all about how much you blend, because blending it all out and really diffusing it with colors that you're more comfortable with, I am obviously more comfortable with the kind of brownie tones. So just mixing this red berry eyeshadow in with a brownie taupey color just instantly makes me more comfortable with the look. rather than going in with like a crazy hot pink eye that I would just never wear. So we're not worrying too much about what's happening out here because I'm gonna clean that up with concealer afterwards. We are just blending that gorgeous berry red color in. Now that it is a bit diffused and looking nice and blended, I'm gonna go in and match the other side. Okay, and when you have evened out both eyes, again, we are not worried about this section yet because I will clean that up with concealer. I am gonna go in and add a little bit of sparkle. I always feel like no holiday look is complete without like a tiny bit of like shimmer, sparkle, all that good stuff. So I am gonna go in with the shade Fling, that shade there, and actually apply it with my finger. I am getting a setting spray. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Spray, and I'm literally just spraying it on my finger. I'm applying that wet finger right into the pan. I'm going in on my eye. So where you want to apply this is literally just from the inner corner towards the center. I'm just pressing the product in. The one good thing about not having acrylics is being able to do this. Like, I haven't been able to get my nails done in months, and now I can really utilize my fingers for makeup. Because if I had my nails on, it would be like stabbing my eye. I think I'll do like this amount of makeup but still wear sweatpants. I feel like that's my Valentine's vibe in 2021. We're gonna do the same on the other eye. Okay, now that the glitter is applied, we're gonna go back in with like a fluffy brush and blend, blend, blend. I will say, living in London and like the UK, they just do not take Valentine's Day very seriously. Like, the girls here are missing a trick, because why wouldn't you want to make a fuss over Valentine's Day and get some flowers, maybe some chocolates? I'm always down for a present. Like, don't worry, I have made sure that Ollie knows I am American and my American roots need me to be spoiled on Valentine's Day. Nothing too crazy, but you know, just a little nod to the day works for me. And I mean, really, if I go to all this effort, I think I deserve some flowers. At least. Just kidding. Kind of. Okay, now that we have blended that all out, I have left a little gap in color at the inner corners of my eyes because I am going to put a lighter shimmer in the inner corners. Okay, true life, when my sister watches this video, she's gonna see that I have stolen her brush, and I actually didn't mean to. I think she asked me to store it for her, and it just accidentally got on my stuff. And I just accidentally took it home, but it is a really nice brush, so I'm gonna be keeping this, so sorry, Ari. Okay, so I am going to take a nice pointed brush. This one is from Iconic London, and I am gonna go in with the shade Moon Dust. A little pop of shimmer in the inner corner is such a nice, easy way to open up the eyes and make your eyes look super awake, super bright. Okay, now that the eyeshadow is on, we are going into the part that might ruin your whole Valentine's Day mood. A nice winged liner. So, if this isn't your vibe, I would suggest not doing this for Valentine's Day because you're just gonna get pissed off. But if you have done a wing before, I believe in you, you can do it again. Let's chuck a wing on there and tie this glam together. So I'm gonna take the black color in this Huda eyeshadow palette. It's called Black Truffle. And I'm gonna take an angled brush and just sketch out my line. Just like that, and then I'm going to match it on the other side. So the reason I went in first with a black eyeshadow and an angled brush is because I'm able to trace and easily kind of fix any mistakes or move my wing. It's just so much easier to work with a brush and shadow and then go in with your liquid liner and trace what you've done. That is just a foolproof way of getting really nice wings. I am using the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye liquid liner. And I'm actually going to apply it directly on that angled brush. I just, again, find it easier to work with than going right in with this. Okay, and then we're gonna go in and match the other side. Okay, now that we have both wings on, meltdown somewhat averted, I am gonna go back in with the shade Henna and Man Eater under my eyes. When you bring the eyeshadow under the eyes, it just really ties the whole look together. And then do the same on the other side. And then I'm gonna take my Max Factor Kohl eyeliner in black and do my waterline. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Now, if you watched my favorites video, you'll have seen that my new favorite mascara is actually the telescopic mascara, which I do love, but I prefer this mascara when I wear false lashes. So the telescopic mascara is amazing for when I'm just, just rocking mascara. But when I do a false lash, I like this mascara better because I find it's a little bit more dry, which works better with a false lash. Then I'm gonna go in and do my bottom lashes as well. While I wait for my lashes to dry before going in with my false lash, I'm going to tie this kind of reddy pink look together with some blusher. I am using the Morphe blush palette. One of them has fallen out, but I'm gonna go in with these two shades, this Provocative and Goals, the two brightest shades, because if there's ever a time to wear a lot of blush, it is right now. And I'm going to apply this generously to the tops of my cheeks. I'm just using a angled fluffy brush. I am getting the blush to meet where the eyeshadow stops for a really pretty monochromatic moment. And I'm also going to go over the bridge of my nose with a little bit of blush. I'm going to go off camera and pop on a lash. Okay, now that my eyes are done, my lashes are on, I am going to show you my Valentine's lip. I am going to start with the Boldly Bare lip pencil from MAC and just slightly overdraw my lips. This is my go-to like pinky nude lip liner. I normally wear more of like a brownie beige, but if I ever reach for like a pinky toned one, it is definitely this one. Then I'm going to go in with my Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. This is in the shade 62N50W 47. I'm not quite sure how they do their shade ranges, but this is what the color looks like, and it is really beautiful. And I'm just applying this all over. I love that lip combo because I feel like it's just my lips but better, a little bit pinky, a little bit cute, nothing too intense because we've gone for the bold eye, so I like my lip to be a little bit more natural. I am going to finish the lip with this Patrick Ta lip gloss in She's Expensive. And honey, she is expensive. Okay dolls, here is my finished Valentine's Day glam. I hope you liked this video. I had so much fun filming it. I feel like it's been forever since I've actually used color in my makeup routine, so this has been so fun for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I mean, we are in total lockdown here in the UK, so I think we'll just be, you know, Netflix and maybe a takeaway. That might be the extent of our Valentine's Day. But let me know if you guys are doing anything exciting, and I hope you liked this video. So if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!